Hi, this is Scoggett, and today what I'm making is I'm making my mama's cheese enchiladas her way. And I'll give you a little bit of background about it. And I'm going to have this, by the way, in 3 parts. First part, I'm going to show you the ingredients, what you're going to need. Not many at all. Second part will be the actual making of the enchiladas. And third part will be the plating up of the enchiladas. But I remember when I was a kid, and I was little, I was like maybe 10 years old, 11 years old, my mama would make the best enchiladas. And I couldn't figure out the secret. And she told me back right before she passed, I said, Mama, what is the secret to your enchiladas? I mean, they are so good, and I haven't had any that good in a long time. And she said the secret is you have got to use Longhorn cheese. And I'll show you the ingredients, what you're going to need. But the Longhorn cheese is a red rind cheese. It's hard to find. There's only one store in the city what I live in what carries this. And I found it by accident. I mean, Walmart doesn't carry it. The other grocery stores doesn't carry it. But there's one store what carries it. And I found it. And I was like, wow, that is amazing. Because this is exactly the kind of cheese that my mama made her enchiladas out of. And it's on the red wine rind. This is wax. It goes around the cheese, and they cut it off, and just so good. She said that she uses that because it melts so perfect. I mean, it melts so perfect, and it's just a good flavor to the cheese. It's rich, bold, and I like it. Now get to the other ingredients. You have to have some corn tortillas. I like to use the Ramirez brand due to the fact that they're sturdy and they hold up in the oil. They don't come apart on you like Mission or something like that. I've tried other ones, and when you lift it up, you got pieces of it in the. Oh no! Now this is the way to go. Ramirez. I know not everybody can get Ramirez tortillas, but use corn tortilla of your choice, what works for you. This one works for me, and it works well. Just a good sturdy tortilla. Now, my mom always used to can enchilada sauce. Not up on the enchilada sauces. So I've got a La Palomas brand enchilada sauce. I got this one because it's mild, it's not hot, and I don't like hot enchiladas with the sauce. I like a mild flavor. And I looked at the ingredients, it looks pretty decent, so that's why I got this. Going to have a diced white onion to go with that. I mean, thing is after you get the enchiladas and get the sauce on them, then you spread more of the Longhorn cheese and the diced white onion on top. I think Mama might have put this in the cheese. I'm not certain, but it works both ways. Going to have some oil to heat up the tortillas with, and that's all you need to make this. Very simple, and I'll have the second part coming up, and I'll show you how I make this. And it's not hard at all, and you put it in a baking pan, bake it in the oven till the cheese melts, and I'll tell you what, this is fantastic. just a really fond memory to be able to make this and find the cheese what my mom used, and know that her enchiladas to me was the best. So hopefully you give this a try. This is Scoggett. I have the second part coming up, and y'all take care.